What's the meaning of asthma? Asthma. Asthma.
Asthma. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic respiratory disease that causes inflammation and narrowing of the airways in the lungs. This leads to difficulty breathing, coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Asthma symptoms can be triggered by various factors, including allergens, exercise, stress, and cold air. Treatment options include inhalers and medications to reduce inflammation and relax the airways. In severe cases, hospitalization may be necessary. With proper management, most people with asthma can lead normal, active lives. It's important to work closely with a healthcare provider to develop an individualized treatment plan.